Hey everyone, real quick. I'm working on a new feature for one of my websites, PlayStoreFinder.com, and I need some help beta testing this feature. You can find this page by visiting PlayStoreFinder.com/testing, and when you get here, it's going to ask you if you want to find an Android app or an Android game. When you select one of those, it brings another sentence asking you within which category do you want to find that game. And then after that, you get a third drop down asking you which tags that you want this RPG game or this app, whatever you want, to have. So let's say we're looking for a role-playing game with the card tab. We search, and we're going to get some results showing all of the games on this website within the RPG category that also has the card tag. So I would like some help to beta test this feature, see what works, see what doesn't, find out if there are any performance issues during this, or if there are any graphical issues displaying the stuff on your phone or your web desktop, anything like that. Now, I will say there's about 1,100 apps and games on the website, so whenever you drill down that much, your results might not be that great. But then again, it might be perfect because this is only going to show you games that have been vetted by the community. And you're not going to get a bunch of crap that does not fit exactly what you're looking for. You can always come back, change this up. And we can see all 3D RPG role-playing games on Android. From here, you can even drill down even further and use the filter system that's already built in. So again, this will work for apps and games. Sadly, I don't have that many apps on the website yet, but I am working on fixing this. And you can find this page at PlayStoreFinder.com/testing. And it's only going to be available to you folks who are paid members of the channel. Thank you so much for all the support.